Up the hill you go. Up the hill you go. Pedal, pumpkin. Pedal. Stop. Say hi to Fizz. Up the hill, Papa. Up the hill. Oh my God, you guys, hilarious. I was walking back and hit myself in the pool. The things you do for the vlog. Hi Febs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, I'm so tired, we all are tired. We're going up a long hill, let me show you. See that hill? That's what we're coming from. We're coming from all the way down there, all the way down the bottom where you can't see. We went for a walk and I think we're gonna stop at the park with Tyler. But I didn't cut the vlog camera. And it's some candid moments I'm catching you guys on my phone. Yeah, you reach? You wanna go to the park? Okay. So she's still behind me. There's a lady behind me crying and screaming. But I don't know. I think she's cuckoo crazy in the head. I don't think it's just emotions. So we went for a walk because we can't go out of town today, which we would love to do on a weekend, because so much riot and protesting is going on throughout the entire France. Our cities, our city, Paris, other city is just crazy. So we are just taking in nature around us and enjoying family and home time today. So we're out for a walk and just checking in with you guys and bring you guys along. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying loved, staying blessed, staying motivated. We love you guys. Whatever it is that you're doing today, just make the best of your day and have fun doing it. Tyler is on his bike. He's ready to get up. What's that? What is in there? Fish! What? It's a big one? Wow! He's huge. Look at the little ones over there. You see the little ones? This waterfall is so pretty. Ah? Ah? You saw a frog? Where? Chuchu? No, I don't see any. Can you find him a frog? He's looking for frogs. Papa gonna come and find you a frog tie. Huh? Oh, lots of frogs in there, but I can't find him. And I would wish not to find him. But the fishes are huge. Oh, it's beautiful. Say morning, Pims.
Morning, Paige.
Dave, it looks like you just wake up.
Oh, yeah.
Tyler said he wanted to see frog. Oh, but he's gone. He's gone, honey. He's gone. He's gone. Well, I guess we won't find the frog for him because he's gone. He's gone to the park. Tyler! Wait for us, we're coming. He's so funny. I see you. She is exercising. She talking to somebody on the phone. She's saying something about she's walking and mon amour, and like she's saying you didn't come to walk with me.
Yeah, something like
She's walking alone. Maybe somebody for her die.
yeah.
Maybe that's what they used to do. Probably they used to walk together. Then the quality of this camera. Is the quality of this camera. Everything. Wait up. Merci. Merci. I'm gonna push you.
Okay.
Like, ready? It soon stop. Take your time, okay? Wait your turn. No, this one. But you wait. Okay, you can wait. Go now. Wow! Good job. Wow! Better than you. Yes, you can go now. Good job, Babu. It's okay. Why you? Who teach you to do that? You saw what he did? You guys were like old people just sitting here watching our kid. The perks of when your child is old enough and you take him at the park and he can do everything by himself, and he doesn't want you to put him up on anything. He's just
You can
old
just
enough
sit in
and
the
chill.
bench.
So we're just sitting here like we're on a date, chilling and watching him, having fun. He's so old. Look at him. Yes. What you have in there? This boy is obsessed with leaves. You carry leaves for me? Oh Lord, he carry leaves for me.
Les feuilles. Okay.
Oh, he's gone again.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I'm supposed to do with these leaves? I understand. All right, we're ready to go home now. Go on the slide one more time and then we go home. Go on the slide by himself. Take your time, Tyler. Take your time. Somebody's in front of you.
the soup and the sauce, okay?
Okay,
Yes, do it.
let's do it.
You do it here, and me, I do it here.
Okay, all
Yes.
right. Yes. You want to let Faith see you when you're doing it?
Yeah.
All right. I like your shoes. You like your shoes? Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay, do it.
Mama?
Hmm? You want me to play with him?
Mama?
Yes, baby. What you making over there? You're making soup?
And you could make here.
What I'm gonna make here? What Mama need to make here?
Sauce.
Okay, I need to make sauce.
And
All right, I'm
two
gonna make.
sausage.
I need to make sauce and 2 sausage.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. You guys, I've been having this terrible headache. It's slowly going away, but my baby want me to play with him.
Mama,
So that's what I'm gonna do. Yes?
I'm gonna drop you soup and I drop you soup here.
It fell.
Yeah, and I drop you soup.
Oh no, so you have to take it up. You want me to help you to take it up?
Yeah.
All right. You guys, babe making dinner. No, Tyler, hot. Get out of the kitchen. Papa going in the oven. What kind of animal are you?
Where's the...
See, I'm looking at it. It's up over the bag. The same place where it normally be. Hmm?
Myself.
You hurt yourself?
Yeah.
Why you hurt yourself? You have to be careful. You want me to kiss it?
Yeah.
It's better now.
Mama.
Yes, baby. Babe making pizza in the oven. It's not ready? No, you want to cook some more to me.
Okay.
Looks yummy though. Let it stay a little bit more.
Mama.
That's dinner. It's yummy. Chef Ludo.
Well, I didn't do anything except put it in the oven. So. Hey guys, it's after dinner time. We having some boys moments, some playing moments. Look at him. Tyler, ça va? You alright? You alright, Tyler? What you doing?
I want you to play with me.
I find something that Tyler like to do. I didn't know that is to play Lego. I mean, we have some Lego, like some pictures. So I show him the pictures like this, and then he's trying to do exactly. So all of the Lego is either on the floor or the Lego is here, and he's trying to do it. So I have this helicopter. So I'm gonna give it to him, and he's gonna try to do it. So yeah, he's 3.5, and yeah, if you have a kid that's 3.5 and you don't do that, chai is something that obviously you like to do. So I don't know if you used to do that at school or anything like this, but obviously you like to do so. I'm gonna give him this card. You're gonna try to do it. Tyler, tu fais le poisson pour papa? Tiens, fais le poisson. You finish? What is that?
A fish.
Good job. Show the camera the fish. Good job. High five. You want to show mama?
You guys, and that's where today's vlog will end, because I didn't realize that we didn't finish the vlog for the rest of that day. So I'm just coming on to tell you guys thanks for watching. As I'm editing, I saw that that's the last footage that we have, so hopefully you guys really enjoy our little stay in day. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys. You don't want to miss a video. Make sure your notification is on, and even if you don't get our notification, that we upload 5 days per week, Mondays to Fridays. A new vlog is up every day. Make sure you guys catch up and keep up. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in our next vlog.